Need more space on your iPhone? Time to empty the trash. Let's get this started. The first place we empty the trash will be in our photos. When you click on photos, you'll see your library here. These are all the photos you want to keep. But if you go to collections, and then you scroll all the way down to the bottom here, you're going to see where it says recently deleted. Now when you click recently deleted, we'll click view album. That's going to require our print or facial recognition. And this just shows all the pictures that you have that you've deleted. That's a lot, and we can get those out of here. So hit select, hit these three dots. I'm going to just click delete all. From all devices, and that is going to empty a whole lot of space on this phone. Next, we'll empty the trash in our text messages. So we're going to go into our text. Then up here in the top right corner, you see those three lines. We're going to click on that. Then we're going to click on recently deleted. There you can see all your recently deleted text. Just scroll over here and drag yourself down like that. Keep going down, hit the trash can, and then I'll delete all the text that you've already deleted from your phone. The next place to save some space is in your notes. If you open up your notes, you'll see down here in the bottom where it says recently deleted. You can see I have one document in there, but you might have multiple. To get rid of those, hold down on the document and then hit delete. And that'll completely remove it from your phone. Emptying those three trash cans will provide you with a lot of free space on your phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up.